Welcome to the Sprinkles of Spirit podcast. I'm Lisa, and I am your host. With a lifelong passion for self-discovery, personal growth, and spirituality, I have realized the ability to transform our lives is a timeless gift that lies within each of us, waiting to be awakened. Join me in this space every Thursday as I share with you all of the powerful practices and tools that have helped me elevate my mind, body, and spirit, as I know they will do the same for you. Together, we'll unleash your potential through self-love, self-acceptance, and faith, empowering you to live an inspired life that radiates with authenticity, purpose, and unwavering joy. I am so grateful you are here. Remember, you are exactly where you are supposed to be, and you are loved beyond measure. Hello, hello. Hi, everyone. Happy new moon in Gemini. It is the new moon in Gemini, and you know I am a new moon kind of girl. And Gemini is one of my fellow air signs. I'm an air sign, Libra. And I'm going to get into that. We have what's called in astrology a Cazimi, a Venus Cazimi. But first, before I get into all that, let's take a moment to breathe together. Get into the here and now. Take a moment to be still with me. So go ahead and close your eyes. Relax your face, soften the shoulders. And getting quiet for a minute. And take a deep breath in through your nose. And an easy exhale out of the mouth. And breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose as we slowly open the eyes. Okay. Thank you. So I wanted to give you a sprinkle of spirit this week. So a few things going on in the world of spirituality. I thought that would be fun to start to do that, you know? So what I learned is there was an ancient temple unearthed in Cambodia. So exciting archaeological news. In Cambodia, they have unearthed the remains of an ancient temple complex dating back to the 7th century. So it was dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva, and the complex offers a glimpse into the rich history and spiritual practices of the region. So this discovery, it's a reminder of the enduring power of faith and the significance of preserving cultural heritage. So I thought that was really cool. I swear in another life, I would like to be an archaeologist. You know, I would love to make discoveries and unearth, you know, the remains of ancient temples and discover what happened, you know, with our ancestors. And I find that so interesting and fascinating. You can find that online. Look at pictures. So then we had a global meditation for peace is gaining momentum. So there's a growing movement calling for global meditation for peace, and it's happening on June 21st, the summer solstice. So this initiative aims to unite people of all backgrounds in a collective intention for peace and understanding across the globe. And yeah, we need that. So whether you participate in a guided meditation or simply find a quiet moment for reflection, This is an act of unity, and it can really be a powerful way to help us all elevate, raise, the vibration of the planet and be a part in contributing to a more peaceful world, right? So let's get into our new moon, which I am a new moon kind of girl. That's our cosmic clean slate, where this is the time to meditate, get on your mat, find some alone time, get out your journal, maybe review some of your goals from the beginning of the year and really set your intentions, right? Take a look at, all right, we're halfway here, right? We're in June. And maybe think about the next 6 months of 2024 or the previous 6 months. How has it been going with your intentions, with what you want to create, what you want to start, what you want to manifest? A new moon is a powerful time to do that. And Gemini is an air sign, and it's, the thought element. So up in the mind. So really potent time to focus on ideas, learning, connecting, communication, expanding our horizons. So really consider, setting your intentions around that, around communication, around relationships, and your intellectual pursuits. So what is this Venus Cazimi? And I'm calling it a union of love and light. So I want to explain to you what this means. So the term refers to a celestial alignment in the sky where the planet Venus comes exceptionally close to the sun in the sky. So the term Cazimi translates to in the heart of the sun. So really highlighting this intimate connection between the two celestial bodies. So, and what makes this special? So Venus is, and that's my planet, I'm a Libra. Venus is the planet of love, of beauty, of pleasure. And with this alignment, it's powerful. It's significantly influenced by the sun's powerful energy during this Cazimi. So this close proximity is seen as it's a purification, and think of amplifying. It's an amplification of Venus's essence. So it's like Venus is kind of basking in the sun's radiance, right? It's brighter. It's even more beautiful. It's even more potent. So what does this mean for us, right? So what this means is this week carries with it this powerful energy to focus on love, on relationships, on your self-worth, on self-love, right? It's a really powerful time to strengthen the existing bonds that you have in your life. Take a look at your relationships, Maybe it can put a spark, like it can reignite the spark in an existing relationship. Put the focus on love and affection and beauty and gratitude, appreciation. How have you been expressing your love for your loved ones? Maybe get a little creative this week, right? And it's also, of course, a really powerful time, not only about the love in your life with others, but self-love. So it really emphasizes self-love, self-worth, appreciation. So really just indulge in activities that make you feel beautiful and confident, Put on that outfit you haven't worn. Put on those shoes that make you feel confident and powerful and strong and like a goddess. Get your hair done, Go to the spa, get your nails done, buy a different color lipstick or blush or just anything that makes you feel like beautiful and confident. I would go do that this week. So, and for my single ladies out there, my single gentlemen out there, if you're single, this is a favorable time to attract love. Put yourself out there, walk through life with an open heart, positive energy. You really act like a magnet and you'll really attract, right? Love opportunities. So it's also a good time to pursue your creative endeavors. So I know I feel very creative right now. I've had a lot of ideas just popping into my brain kind of as I go to sleep or like in the shower. A lot of ideas come to my head for some reason. make sure you're writing them down, put them in your phone when they pop up. But the energy of Venus really, it really fosters our artistic expression, helps you explore your creative side, whether it's music, it's writing, it's visual arts, it's online creating, right? Maybe you want to start a new social media account, or you want to create an online course, or you want to create your podcast, or you want to write a letter, or you have a project to do at work. Just pursue it this week. Like, this is the time where we have all of these ideas kind of like being downloaded, and really good time to tap into our creativity. And then, of course, the sun, right? It's bright, it's powerful, and it helps manifest abundance. This alignment with Venus, it's really associating, it's associated with really having the capability, allowing us to attract what we desire. So use this alignment, this powerful energy, and this new moon this week to set intentions for love, for beauty, and for abundance, for prosperity in your life, And remember, astrology is a tool. It's one of those tools that is used for self-inquiry, self-discovery, but really ultimately self-understanding, right? So this Cazimi has this positive influence this week. It's really important, honestly, that you take into consideration your own individual birth chart for a more complete picture. And I dove deep into that. Shout out to my personal astrologer and mystic goddess teacher, Shelley Saunier. I will leave her information below, because she is definitely someone I recommend to get your natal birth chart read. Super cool. A lot of personal growth comes out of that. So I'm going to leave that link for you guys. Check that out, as well as her other offerings. So yeah, I love this week. I love this time. I'm going to make sure I get that time and, get out your journal and just write down all the ideas that may be coming to you this week. I feel good this week. How do you guys feel? I feel positive, I feel my energy coming back, and this is my favorite season. Summer is my favorite. So coming up on that summer solstice, I usually do feel really, really good this time of year. I'm active. I'm mindful about how I'm taking care of myself. I'm beautifying my surroundings, taking a look at maybe how can I beautify myself even more, doing all the things associated with Venus, of course, and the sun, shining a bright light on how you can expand in those three categories, love, beauty, prosperity. So yeah, really powerful week. So let's get to our Power of Surrender card this week, Dr. Judith Orloff. This one popped out this week. So I always ask our angels, what do we need to surrender this week? So this one popped out, and what we need to surrender is surrender your attachment to results. So it says the formula for success is to do all you can to, quote, make things happen, then let go of the results. Holding on too tightly to a desired outcome can sabotage it. Ooh, so this is tough for a lot of people, right? We want to have our new moon ceremony, new moon ritual, set your intentions, take all the action, but we want to also do it with the energy of surrender, meaning praying or intending for this or something even better. Leaving it up to God, to your angels, to the universe. Because ultimately, attachment is one of the causes of suffering. Attachment to anything, right? Attachment to people, attachment to a situation, attachment to an idea, everything changes, everything. And the more we're attached to anything, the more we will suffer, because ultimately everything changes and evolves and grows and expands. And so we really want to do things, do all you can to work towards everything you're trying to create in your life, everything you're trying to achieve or manifest, whether it's, beautifying yourself, right? Getting healthier, maybe losing weight or getting stronger, or getting a new job, or finding your new home, finding your right friendships, the right partner. Do all you can logically and creatively to work towards it, but with a sense of surrender, like, this is what I'm working towards, this or something even better. Because maybe, just maybe, what will be delivered is going to look different or be different, but it's ultimately for your highest good, right? And that's where we have to understand. That's why holding on too tightly to any desired outcome can ultimately sabotage it. Because when we're obsessed or we're manic manifesting, that really carries an energy basically of fear and anxiety, which will never, never give you the results that you're ultimately looking for. So yeah, add on to your prayers this week. May this or something even greater be. May this or something even greater be for the highest good of myself, for the highest good of everyone in my life, and for the highest good of everyone who will be in my life. Yeah, make that our prayer this week. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Check the show notes for all the links to all the things coming up, some fun summer episodes, and I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time, have a beautiful week. Namaste.